Rhyme royal is a type of poetry that features a unique structure and rhyme scheme. The rhyme royal stanza consists of 7 10-syllable lines, usually in iambic pentameter. The rhyme scheme is ABABBCC. In practice, the stanza can be constructed either as a tercet and two couplets, or a quatrain and a tercet. This allows for variety, especially when the form is used for longer narrative poems. This form of poetry was popularized in the 14th century by the English poet Geoffrey Chaucer and has been used by many poets since. Thanks to the form's spaciousness compared to quatrains, and the sense of conclusion offered by the couplet of new rhyme in the 6th and 7th lines, it is thought to have a cyclical, reflective quality. One of the key features of rhyme royal is its structured and rhythmic flow of words. The iambic pentameter allows for a consistent beat throughout the poem, which helps to create a sense of unity and coherence. The rhyme scheme contributes to the structure and rhythm of the poem, providing a satisfying conclusion to each stanza. Rhyme royal is often used to tell a story or convey a message. The structure and rhyme scheme of the form allow for a clear progression of ideas and emotions. The 7 lines provide a perfect amount of space to develop a single idea or image, making it an ideal form for narrative poetry. Another feature of rhyme royal is its versatility. While the structure and rhyme scheme provide a consistent framework, poets are free to use it to explore a wide range of subjects and themes, from love and nature to politics and society. If you are a lover of poetry, or simply interested in exploring different forms of literature, rhyme royal is definitely worth exploring. So, that was it for the video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.